Crazy to think that it's already been a year since we last talked, but here we are coming to the end of 2024. Again, another monumentous year for Buttcon and Via Rail, making huge strides in the project.
A lot has changed on site. Obviously, we've hit our interim 1 and interim 2 completions, demolished the old building, right? And now we've replaced it. So our new building is starting to take shape. The insides are getting fleshed out, and we're well on our way to completion.
It's been an exciting year, and the teams have been going full throttle. And I think it's gone remarkably well given the amount of work that's been advanced through the year. So we're really looking into the M&E and fit-out stage next year. It's going to be very exciting and challenging.
Probably over a dozen different trades coming in to do their work, and they've all done a great job. We're on our schedule and well on track to completing our job on time.
I just want to thank all teams, design teams, sub-consultants, Buttcon, Via Rail, Gannett Fleming. We've come together collaboratively as one big team, and we're starting to see the fruits of our labor. So I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. It's again 2025 going to be another big year. Hoping for the same type of success.
I'd like to wish everyone happy holidays from the VIA team, and hope everyone has a wonderful new year.
Okay, on behalf of the facility upgrades team and everybody here at VIA, we'd like to wish everyone a happy holiday. Get some rest, see your family, and charge up for the new year because there's lots of fun ahead. Thank you.